Surprisingly, not a lot of people know where their mailing list lives on Squarespace. Let's say someone submits a contact form or someone signs up for the newsletter. They don't actually know where to find these people. And it's really simple. Well, I say it's really simple. Squarespace keep moving their menu system around, which is great for me because I get to make all this content, get views, brilliant. But it can be annoying. Well, it definitely is annoying for users. So I'm going to show you, as of the time of recording, where your mailing list and general contacts will live. So all you need to do is head into contacts here. But the annoying thing is, it gives you like a weird screen here, and people don't realize there's another drop down. So you click into lists and segments, and then you're going to have all of these. So you've got subscribers, new subscribers, which is more like a tag, and then you've got potential customers, etc. Now, most of these aren't going to matter if you don't sell ecom, or if you don't do ecom, should I say, because you're not going to have customers or potential customers or anything like that. So if you don't do ecom with physical or digital products, it's not for you. The main things you're going to want to look at is subscribers and form submitters. So anyone that submits any kind of form on your site, you click into here and they're going to have everything listed in here. So their email, their first and last name, and when they last submitted a form to the site. If we go back by clicking up here, then you've got your subscribers. So this is where every single person lives and whether they accept marketing or not. So they're going to have their email listed, first name, last name, when they actually subscribed since and how they subscribed. So if we go over here, organic subscriptions via your site, blah, blah, blah. Basically, it's did someone check out on the site? Did they sign up via a lead magnet that you've set up? Did they sign up via just a standard newsletter? Whatever it is, it tells you where they came from, which is handy. And then whether they accept marketing just means when you send out an email blast, I've got a video on that, then it will go to them or it won't. Pretty simple. So you can have thousands of people on here, but if none of them accept marketing, then your emails aren't going to land anywhere because they don't let you email them. You'd have to manually do that. And wouldn't recommend that, obviously. So that's where it lives. Anyone who signs up with any form or any newsletter block on your site, they're going to go in here. Hopefully that cleared that one up. I do get far more inquiries about this than I should. So hopefully that helped. If it did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.